we're about to graph y equals 3 minus x. Now, we're used to seeing our equations before we graph them to look like this. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, which is kind of your rise over run, and b is the y-intercept, which is kind of like your starting point in the equation. But seeing it this way is a little bit confusing. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to rewrite our equation, y equals 3 minus x, but we want it to look to be in this form. So let's have a look at what that looks like. Okay, so if I notice, I'm used to having my x kind of in front, and here I have a number in front. I'm actually just going to switch these around and rewrite this equation as y equals, now I'll just put that x in front, but I can't just put the x by itself. I have to make it negative. So I'll write it as negative x, and then that 3 goes in the back, and I can't just write 3, so I'm going to write plus 3. Okay, so these are technically the exact same thing. I just wrote it in a different order. So if I have it in this way, now it's pretty clear that b is 3. But what is the slope? What is m? Because all I have is a negative here. So whenever I have just no number or a negative out in front, you have to think about it as the coefficient, or what I'm multiplying it by is the number 1. Okay, so I can think of m, the slope, is equal to negative 1 because I have that negative. So it's negative 1. And when I have a slope of negative 1, I can think of it as this is my rise over run. So I'm going to be going down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay, so let's see what that would look like on a graph. Okay, so my y-intercept is 3, so that starting point is right here, and the slope is negative 1. That means it's not going to be going up, it's going to be going down and to the right. So go down 1 over 1, put a little dot, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. You can do that as many times as you want, but I already have enough of a pattern, and I can't just connect these, I can't just stop there. What I need to do is grab a ruler, line it up with the grid lines and the dots. Okay, so I can see that it should be following this pattern, going this way and this way. And now I don't just connect it, I go all the way through the graph. And the last thing I need to do is add little arrows, because these arrows are showing that the graph kind of technically goes on forever. And that's it. That is how you graph y equals 3 minus x.